How to turn off device broadcast status in Spotify. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then go ahead and tap on the settings and privacy option you see there. Here, you will see the option for playback. Tap on that, and in this particular interface, go ahead and navigate to device broadcast status option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for device broadcast status, and with this, device broadcast will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off device broadcast status in Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.